What's up, everybody? County line logging. Here's all my equipment. I got a Kenworth and the knuckle boom loader. I got a heavy haul truck, trailer, skidder, service truck, and a feller. I got a shop in town. Before I end this video, I'll show my new shop. But I'm going to go ahead and start felling some trees real quick. That way I can get started. It's been a little while since I've done a logging video. I was kind of hoping a new feller buncher would come out by now, but no such luck. I gotta try to remember how to operate this thing. Well, I cut it, but I didn't mean to. Okay, I got it. Well, it cut it, but it won't. That's why I do not care for this thing. Maybe I'm just not smart enough to run it, but okay. Ooh. And that's another reason I don't like it. See the rubber banding on it? Right there at where the head hooks to the machine. I don't care for it. But it's better than nothing, I guess. Maybe I should do one at a time, because they're pretty big. See what I mean? But I really appreciate y'all watching my videos and letting me know that y'all like them, y'all want to see more. If there's anything y'all want to see or equipment that y'all want me to use or anything, put it in the comments and I'll try to get it. I'm constantly looking for new mods, better mods. Logging mods are kind of I had to get that out of the skidder. Let me go get the skidder while I'm talking about it. This truck, I'm going to show y'all how it works with this trailer. It's pretty sweet. Just let me unstrap this. Nope, missed the strap. And if y'all want me to do this more like a real life, like, role playing, let me know and I'll do that. I try to incorporate some of it in here, but this is the first video. I'm going to try to do a long series on this, on county line with the logging. I really like this map. They got trees by the sawmill, but I didn't want to mess with those because it's just way too close. I like a decent haul when I'm pulling loads of logs, so. Alright, there we go. And this thing is a beast too. It's 635, made by Expendables. Alright, let me show you. Oh, let me turn that off. Let me show you this truck. Now, the service truck over here is pretty sweet too, but you gotta have a chain, which is only on PC. I know it sucks for console gamers. Believe me, I understand. I was console for a long time. But finally broke down and got a PC, or actually got the money to get a PC. But see, there you go. Hooked a winch to it. Also, this truck, you can see the engine, fan turning, and the pulleys. I don't know if you can see the pulley. Yeah, I guess. But that's real nice. I forgot where I got this. You gotta turn on your winch. Winch it on up. Yep. I guess the cable is too tight. Let me. What in the world? Yeah, I had the cable too tight. Okay, I've done that about 50 times, trying to get it perfect so I wouldn't look like an idiot when I done it, and I done it. I don't know why it's acting like that. Maybe because I'm off to the side of it. Let me detach it. Okay, yeah, that was my fault. But anyway, y'all get the gist of it. You can winch it up. You can put a load on it, and it'll It's a scissor neck, so it'll scissor down, lower down like that. And it's also got rollers on it, so if you want to load something like a tank or something from the back, can. Oh, I love this truck. I don't know. I like realism. I don't know what the PTO terms. No, I don't. But anyway, inside looks real nice. Awesome mod. Half-ass mod done that. That truck and trailer, as I got it off his Facebook. This Barco, y'all probably seen me. I've had it before. Um, Mountain State modding. And I'm debating. The mod is good. Don't get me wrong. I like it. But it is a little. It's got its quirks to it. Like if you can drop your outriggers, you unhook the truck, drop the outriggers. It'll it just it don't it wants to bounce around real bad, and I'm gonna try to maybe leave it hooked to the truck, and maybe it'll do better. I don't know. I'm gonna see. And you got to get this thing just right. There we go. It's been a while since I used the buck saw. I usually don't, but I'm gonna give her a go. Let me get the skidder and push. I'm stuck. And bear with me. I got a new controller, and it's a little. The buttons are a little tight, so it's gonna take me a little bit to get it loosened back up, I guess, or me to get used to it. Alright, I should better grab it. And if y'all haven't seen this mod, it's pretty. I like it. I like it a lot. It see how the button sticks. But anyway, it's nice. You can change your driving direction like in real life. I like it. And it's a beast. I don't know a skidder that'll pull what this one will. Let me see. Please start engine first. Engine started. And this also delimb. What in the hell? Maybe it's because I got the truck hooked to it. Let me look. I'm gonna leave the truck under it. Maybe that'll make it. Well, I ain't never had this kind of problem. There we go. I'm gonna cut them a little longer because I don't like doing short logs. It takes freaking forever to load a truck. I know that's what this is saw's for, but tree saw. Okay, there it turned on that time. Yeah, there we go. Works pretty good. Just a little. Let me see. I want to load trucks. I don't know. I'll drop it like that, and if I need to move them, I can. And this is better from the inside, you can see. Yeah, maybe not. I don't know why it's so hard to get the. Maybe I should have spun that thing around and come in from another. But I've done it like this before. Maybe a little short. It is. And this thing operates mighty slow. I might wind up getting a delimber processor and just using that, because this is going to be hell trying to do that. So that is what I'll do. And where's my chain? Tell you what. Let me see if I can drag my chain. Well, I can hook to the where's my freaking chain at? I didn't hook it back, did I? Is it under my truck? Nope. Is it under the trailer? I don't see it. I thought I drug it off to the side, but maybe I didn't. There it is. I'll hook my cable back, and then I can just leave it hooked. And these chains and stuff are funny to fool with. Mm. say I've done it. I ain't had no problems with it, but I'm doing something wrong, I'm sure. I'll drive in the carryout, that way it'll be more realistic. And maybe I shouldn't drive 55 down this dirt road. But I'm going to anyway. But if y'all wind up liking this video or my videos, please watch, subscribe, and like the video. It's freaking hard to get. Most people want to watch Fortnite or whatever else is popular right now. I don't really know. I just pretty much play this, but it's hard to get views on these, you know, farm sim. It really is tough. I think my first video's got like 900, and I really appreciate it. Thank y'all so much. I really, really appreciate it. I honest to God, I never thought it would have ever got close to that. uh, yeah, it really surprised me. Like, I didn't think it would ever. And I don't think I've done but 2 logging videos, and my other videos really didn't do great. But I was just trying to see what would do better for me, or for as far as views on content, is because I had never done any videos at all. But and don't get me wrong, I love logging. I do. I wish I could log in real life, but it's not the easiest job to get. And well, the way my schedule works for my wife, she's in school, and so I got a job that pretty much works with my schedule for her. What in the world is wrong with that? Uh, so she can go to school and I can get off work in time. I have 3 kids, so as of right now, it works good. So that's why I do that. So maybe I need to get more square with the trailer. I think I'm going to pull this ahead. I ain't got enough weight over the tires. And I know how to load equipment, so if y'all see me doing something wrong, I mean, I've loaded equipment in real life, so I do know a little bit of what I'm doing. even though sometimes it don't look like it. Man. See, sometimes this thing don't want to work right. It don't want to release for some reason. But what I'll do is just put all the weight on the back. Or maybe I won't. Mm, did it go all the way? Maybe it'll go now. Yeah. Okay. Got her. For some reason, this is a converted mod for FDR if somebody did. And I don't know why in the world these things are so heavy. You just about can't haul them on anything but an FDR trailer. Let me see if it. And see how it wants to, as I turn, it wants to slide off. But once you start going straight, it's alright. It was the same thing trying to haul that feller over. As you turn, it it slips for whatever reason. I don't know. I better check, see how much coming. Because they will hit you, as you see. But anyway, I'm going to let them pile up. I'll fix that later. But I'm going to show y'all this awesome shop that I got. Or that I built. Whatever you want to say. If you want it to be realistic, I built it. This is the office John Deere. Yep. But here's the shop. It's got, you can get money. You got a lift here. Okay, stop. Or don't, whatever. Now I'm stuck. I'm gonna clean all this up in between this one and my next video to make it look. What the fuck? I'm having a time. I'm having a freaking time. I tell you. Lower. Okay. Just jump off. And I'm not sure. I guess that's where you can fix your equipment and all. I figured it'd be a good logging shop. But this is the end of this video. It's 30 minutes long. Next video, I'll be logging more because I'll have all this crap out of the way. I really, honestly appreciate y'all watching and the likes and subscribes and the comments. If y'all want me to do something different or if you want more videos, I work my hardest to do it. Any criticism, please leave it in the comments. I will take it and apply it to my next videos. Because I need y'all's help to know what y'all like and what y'all don't like, so I'll know what to put in, put out, take out, whatever. If y'all want me to do strictly logging, that's what I'll do. I'm here for y'all. I really appreciate y'all's comments. Let me know that y'all love the videos or y'all like them. It makes me feel really good because I debated a long time on whether to do videos or not. I was like, there ain't nobody gonna watch them. And y'all's comments and everything really made me feel good and want to make more videos. And just please, if y'all have any suggestions or criticisms, please leave it in the comments. It will not hurt my feelings. I'll take it and do my best to make a better video. If the audio is horrible, which it might be because it's my computer mic, I'll get another mic eventually. And if my videos do good enough, I'll get a better computer. But thank y'all so much from the bottom of my heart for watching. Y'all have a blessed day, and I'll put out another video as soon as I can. Thank y'all.